Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy audiobooks on Audible. So I'm going to show you how to do this on your computer and your mobile in this video, and if this video has been helpful, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. So I've logged into Audible on Google Chrome. I'm on the home page, and basically what you can do is you can either use this search bar up here and search for a specific title. Let's say you wanted to type in Harry Potter, and then from there we can see all of the different Harry Potter titles. But if you wanted to actually just find a recommendation or something on the homepage, you can come up here, press Audible, and then it will bring you to this homepage. And then there's some recommended titles up in the banners right here. You can also find monthly deals. We can search by categories only on Audible, based on your recent listens, continuing your series, etc. You can come over here to browse, and that will show you all of the different categories as well. Bestsellers, new releases coming soon. There's even podcasts, Audible originals, just like Netflix originals and things like that. And you can actually search for titles using the featured authors as well. So what I'm going to do is go to bestsellers. And then I'm going to select this one right here, the Let Them Theory. Click into there, and then we can see all of the details about this audiobook. You've got the artwork cover, you've got the title, you've got a sort of tagline, you've got the author, you've got who it's been narrated by, then you've actually got the length of the audiobook right here. This is 10 hours and 38 minutes, and then we've got the reviews down here as well. On the right hand side, this is how you can actually purchase your audiobook. So because I'm on an Audible Premium Plus subscription, I pay £7.99 per month to keep up my subscription, and every single month Audible adds one more credit into my account. Basically, we can see up here there are 5 credits available, so you can actually buy this audiobook with 1 credit. So you can click in here and then confirm your purchase, and then the audiobook will be in your library and you can listen to it from there. But what you can also do is press buy now for $7.99 and then follow all of the steps, and you can use a credit card, a debit card to actually make that purchase on Audible itself. And then, as I said, if you want to actually access the title, go to your library. And then I have all of my different titles that I've purchased over the years. I've got 74 in here, and then when you press into here, you'll see more information about the title, and then you can press this button right here, and that's going to launch the listening window, and you can start listening to your audiobook.